What is Scan and Single Quote Bank? Scan and Single Quote Bank is a brand new software in 2022. You'll get tons of barcodes and QR codes from this software. Just by scanning the codes, you can earn an average of $5 per scan. It is so easy to use. You only have to spend 3 minutes or 4 every day to earn real cash. Continuously earn an average of $5 every time you upload a receipt. Most importantly, you can also earn money by scanning various outside codes. So how does this work? As you've read already, this loophole pays every time a barcode is scanned. But this only works when the barcode is scanned from retail stores. So how will you earn? You upload receipts with products whose barcodes were scanned from those retail stores. I'm pretty sure all of us have those receipts hanging around. Sometimes, we even just throw those receipts away. So why not earn from those receipts before throwing them away? Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. All it takes is just 3 clicks. Click 1. Access. Click on any of the buy buttons on the page to get instant access to Scan and Single Quote Bank. Click 2. Activate. Activate our app to upload a receipt where a specific product barcode was scanned. And it works on any phone or laptop. Click 3. Earn. We're getting dozens of $5 payments on average. Works all day long. A brand new way. What if I told you there is a better way? A new method that pays you $5 for every 9 seconds? Sounds ridiculous, huh? I know, but keep reading and I will explain exactly how it works. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.